Now, conditionals are sentences with two clauses, a main clause and an if clause. Now, conditionals state that the action in the main clause can only take place if a certain condition in the if clause is fulfilled. Have a look at the example over here. If we don't hurry, we'll be late. Now, this is a conditional sentence, and it's used to state that the main action in the main clause, being late, will take place if we do not hurry. Now, there are 5 main types of conditionals in English, and amongst them are zero conditionals. Now, zero conditionals are used to describe things that are always or generally true. Thus, we refer to the real and possible situations, general truths, or scientific facts. Have a look at the example below. If 2 people fall in love, they become a couple. Now, in general, people become a couple if they fall in love with each other. Now, make sure to use the present simple tense in both parts of the zero conditionals. Note that the order of the main and if clause is not fixed, although when the if clause precedes the main one, make sure to use a comma. Have a look at the table below. The if clause includes if plus present simple, and the main clause, present simple. Have a look at the examples below. If the temperature is above 0 degrees outside, the snow melts. General truth. If my friend invites me over, I always accept her invitation. General truth. Note that we can use when instead of if without any changes in the meaning, as in the example below. When winter comes, the birds fly to the south. Now, zero conditionals are often used to give instructions. In this case, we use the imperative in the main clause, as in the examples below. Call me if you need any help. If you are not satisfied with your major, change it. Now, let's review and practice a bit. Remember that zero conditionals are used to describe things that are always or generally true. Thus, we refer to the real and possible situations, general truths, or scientific facts. Now read the sentences below and mark the main clause as am and the if clause as if. People close their eyes when they get scared. Main clause, if clause. Pupils can be expelled if they don't respect school rules. Main clause, if clause. If you want to buy something sweet, go to the supermarket. If clause, main clause. Also remember that we use the present simple tense in both parts of the zero conditionals. Now create a sentence using the words in the bracket. When people to throw away plastic bottles, we to pollute our planet. When people throw away plastic bottles, we pollute our planet. If it to be late, not to go home alone. If it is late, don't go home alone. Here is a short story using the zero conditional. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. If Josh calls me, tell him I'm busy. But what if he calls again? Tell him I'm still busy. Why are you ignoring him? Well, if someone ignores me for a week, I do the same. I know that it's petty, but I'm really annoyed. And now, time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and find mistakes. A. If you not want to go, just let me know. B. You get green if you mix yellow and blue. C. When people cry, if they feel better afterwards. D. If we don't cook anything at home, we eat when at the cafe nearby. E. When parents will spend a lot of time with their kids, it helps them to build a strong bond. F. You can't call anyone if you don't have money on your phone. G. My friend always send me funny pictures when he is at work. Now, write two sentences with zero conditionals and one zero conditional with imperative. And now, let's check your answers. If you don't want to go, just let me know. You get green if you mix yellow and blue. When people cry, they feel better afterwards. If you don't cook anything at home, we eat at the cafe nearby. When parents spend a lot of time with their kids, it helps them to build a strong bond. You can't call anyone if you don't have money on your phone. My friend always sends me funny pictures when he is at work. Sample answers. The chocolate melts if you hold it in your hands. People use umbrellas when it rains. Let me know when you finish cooking. Thank you for watching this tutorial.